Hello guys, welcome back to another amazing video. In this video I will help you that how you can fix your Telegram verification code not receiving problem. Some people in some countries facing this issue. So guys, follow my few steps and settings to get fixed this problem of Telegram that you have not received any verification code. First of all, you have to know, make sure you are not using this Telegram account into another device. If you're using, so must follow logout or RCPN to that device. If still not fix the problem, then follow my second step. Open your Play Store. Now you have to search Telegram X. This is an amazing application. This is a copy of Telegram. You can use this and receive verification code. Still not fixed, then the last step is that long press the Telegram app. Long press. Now click on info. Now click on storage, and you have to clear app cache. Sometimes you have to clear your data also. After doing all these steps, now click on Play Store, search Telegram, and make sure you have the updated version of your Telegram app. After doing all these settings and steps, your problem will be fixed. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel.